Esports, also known as electronic sports, is a form of competition using video games. The esport market may be in its adolescence, but it is maturing faster than ever, and the coming are crucial. In this white paper, we will explore the 5 biggest trends shaping the industry's bright future. In 2019, the global esport market will generate $1.1 billion, with a total audience of 453.8 million. 5 developments transforming the esports market are: first, from online to offline, local esports locations and communities on the up. Second, esports and traditional sports are adopting each other's strategies. Third, influencers will become broadcasters for esports and traditional sports. Fourth, changing competition into entertainment, new esports format on the rise. The branding battle for fan engagement and loyalty. iKnowledge Campus. You are 1 degree away. We provide accredited online courses supported by mentors. Sign up now.